Stuttgart. They're gonna attend a Comic-Con. Yay, I'm so excited for the while. And already all packed and ready to go. Forgot to film earlier because it's kind of late yesterday. I'm kind of tired. So now it's like currently 9 AM. Our train gonna be arriving like 11 something. We're gonna meet our friend Lucas there because he's gonna go with us. And yeah, I'm gonna vlog for you guys. We're here at the train station now waiting for a bus, which is gonna be approximately 10 minutes late. Yay. Like always. Hey guys, I think like an hour ago we arrived here, just getting ready. It's like 3 PM right now. Here's the ticket for tomorrow. And we're gonna head out for lunch. I haven't eaten yet. It's like so late, I'm kinda hungry. So, it's our view. And the good thing is the train is just so near here. It's like only 4 minutes to walk.
Is anybody listening to the sound? When the world is dark and desolate, do you take a stand to help of it? Take all that you have and give it away. Somebody can spare that extra weight. No reason to fill up your life with things that you hate. Is anyone who they appear to be? No soul is left impervious. Take off the mask and let us see.
We made it to the inner city of Stuttgart. Currently time check. It's almost 8 PM. You have something to say? In English?
No, merci.
Why is there sadness? Why is there good? Why is there madness? Don't believe all you see. Don't be deceitful. We're not made of gold. Fill up our minds, we'll be worth the knowledge. You're not made of gold. Fill up your mind, you'll be worth.
Ready to get some coffee. Oh,
Yeah.
to see.
Time check.
Time check and I woke up at 6 AM or something. You see that and what?
Get some coffee.
Get some coffee first. See if it's good. Sorry.
All hot.
He kind of transformed to something entirely different. Whoa, long luscious hair I have.
I have black hair.
Guess who we are? I'll show you my whole outfit. Simple one.
Yeah, showing.
It's okay. You know, the
enough powers yet, but
I'm so excited, finally here, arrived at the Comic-Con. Now we just have to get inside. Das war nur die Ticketcard. Aber ich nicht fragen, nicht.
Yes, definitely in a positive way. I do, myself. I don't know about you two, but I'm definitely a nerd.
I think I am a nerd, yes. But I'm not quite sure, but I think I am.
I'd like to be a nerd, I think.
Does Lee Bardugo count? I'll go with Lee Bardugo.
Batman.
I think I'm going to have to go with Black Widow. Just no superpowers either.
I haven't been able to plan any concerts or anything because some of you may know that I am on a TV show. So I have to go back and film that, and it takes a long time to make a TV show, so it's very difficult to plan it all at the same time. I would love to do it. It's on my list of things that it's on my list of it's on my bucket list. You know, it's the reason I was doing the music is because I've always loved music. I've always written, you know, songs and.
So we watched some panels from Shadow and Bone Cast. Like I'm gonna show it also in the video, of course. Now we're gonna go to our first photo session, and it's Fanny Carter, also from Shadow and Bone. I'm so excited. And so today's gonna be so busy because we didn't have time to show you guys everything. Carter's dress also we haven't eaten yet. Just finished our photo session with Freddy Carter. And now we're looking for something to eat because we haven't eaten yet. And in 1 hour and a half we have another photo shoot. Yeah.
She's a bit of you know, her thrilled by her emotions and things. So I think if it wasn't captured then, she probably would have gotten in trouble at another stage. And yeah, I do feel that her and Matthias are destined for each other. So
now currently it's like 5 p.m. and we just done now with the photo shoots. We had in total like 4 photo shoots, I think. Kinda so stressed because you don't have anything else to do. Yeah. Then to wait online because like it takes so long, of course, so many people. But now we're gonna look for. I think it's almost closed, maybe until 6 or so. But tomorrow we again, so we have more time. And yeah, I will show later at the hotel, like the pictures. Very good. Morning. Second day of Stuttgart. Now it's 8 a.m. I'm really so tired.
buy some stuff for Christmas.
I think today we're just gonna buy some stuff because
Yeah,
I said that we didn't have any chance.
Just panels, we didn't do anything with panels.
Photo sessions, don't forget.
Photo sessions, I mean.
I'm so sorry, I can't hear you very well.
You can press the break at the end. Thank you.
I love how the show, how the cast is diverse. I love the casting. It's so being also happy. Like, how does it feel for you, like being portrayed and Lina like on the show? Because like it's really related to her on the show. Like, how does it feel for you, like knowing that this is their books? She's like not me.
It was just when I first got the audition through my agents. You know, they linked to the sort of the fan Wikia page, and you know, I was looking at all the fan art, and I was like, oh, interesting. This character doesn't look very Asian. And then it wasn't until I spoke to the casting director and they said, oh, we've made this decision to make her mixed race. One of our writers, Christina Strange, she's half Korean, half American. And I think she was a big influence in adding to that story. But for me, it was amazing because, you know, I grew up. You of course would see the odd mixed race Asian person on film and TV, but their dual heritage was never like specifically spoken about. And I think Alina's journey with her self-acceptance. You know, that was a really important starting point for her to feel truly like an outsider. In the book, she feels like an outsider, but I think, you know, film and TV, visual medium, it's good to kind of see that as well. And, you know, it's just really nice to be able to see someone who, you know, lots of people have said to me even this weekend, it's nice to see someone who looks like me. And feel represented. And going forward, you know, in the next seasons, I know for sure there's going to be more exploration of Alina's shoe heritage. I can't say any more than that, but you know, that really means a lot to me, and I think it's going to be really exciting to see that side of her a bit more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They almost come to an end. We have to leave at 5 p.m. our bus. We only have like 2 hours left. Just walking around, kind of chill day, unlike yesterday. So we already seen everything in this big hall.
Wollen wir da mal schauen? Oder sollen wir da später so was Schwert machen? Jeder kommt? Jawohl. Jeder kann nur links. Dann nur links.
So we already not in the Comic-Con anymore because we're going home and our train gonna be like 10 minutes. And time flies so fast. Sorry if I didn't vlog so much because we enjoyed the moment. And kind of too many people also to vlog all the time, but I try to do vlogging. Hope you enjoyed the video. So see you later, guys. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you know exactly when I upload. See you guys on my next video. Bye.